Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how you can erase your iPhone, factory reset your iPhone without Apple ID if you don't have the password. So if you simply click on erase your iPhone, enter the passcode. On the next page, it will ask for you to enter the password of your Apple ID. If you have forgotten your password or you don't have the phone number or email address to reset, remove the Apple ID, then erase your iPhone. In this case, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how you can erase your iPhone factory reset. So before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So let's get started the video. Simply go to your iPhone settings, then click on General, then click on Transfer Reset iPhone, click on Erase, then click on Continue, click on Erase iPhone. On the next page, enter the passcode of your iPhone and click on Skip Backup. So as you can see, it's asking for Apple ID password, which I don't have, and also I don't have the phone number or email address to reset it. Simply click on forget password. Now here the magic will happen. Instead of asking for phone number or email address or any verification code, your iPhone will ask for you to enter the passcode of your iPhone, enter the passcode, and boom, you will have the option to enter a new password. Now you can enter the new password for your Apple ID and then click on continue and the password will be changed. Once the password is changed, you can cancel the process. Go to your Apple ID, click on sign out and then enter the password you have just changed and then click on turn off. Once the iCloud is removed from here, now you can simply go to general and click on transfer reset and erase your iPhone and click on continue. Now you can erase your iPhone and it won't ask for you to enter the password because Apple ID will be removed because we have changed the password without phone number or email address. So this is a process. I hope this video helps, and if you need any help, let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.